Hi, and welcome to the Water Wizards quoting process. After answering a few simple questions about your property, this intelligent software will give you an accurate quote for each service we offer. Water Wizards offers packages for services to match any budget and cater to your property's exterior cleaning needs. These packages can be found by scrolling to the a la carte services portion of the bid. Here you can click each individual service to view a rolling list of packages. We also offer bundling for multiple services that provides discounts up to 25% for increased savings and value. Once you've decided on which services your home needs, simply click the select button for each service or bundle you'd like, then scroll to the bottom to see your total. After reviewing your total, click the I'm ready to schedule button to choose the date and time that best suits your needs. If you do not see a date or time you would like, just give us a call to see if any accommodations can be made. You will receive a confirmation email with an informational video about what to expect the day of service. We are thankful to provide you with this free quote and never share any information gathered from this process with any outside sources. If you would like to have a quote over the phone, please feel free to give us a call at 843-507-0109. Thank you for choosing Water Wizards, and we look forward to working with you.